Hello, welcome to Swaddy Car. My name is Rob, but real quick before we jump into today's video, I'm going to be celebrating exactly 1 year, 5,000 subscribers and Christmas Eve, all in just a couple of days. So I'm going to be doing a Q&A session. So if you have any questions, leave them down below and catch me in that video in just a couple of days. But today's video is going to be a bit of a change of pace compared to my last one. And a bit more, well, artistic, because we're going to be covering Bangkok's largest light and digital arts festival called Awakening Bangkok. Now, I actually done a video on this back in March on the channel for those who remember, and the premise is to light up the streets that would otherwise be in the dark, to revive everything that's going on and just bring it all back from, well, the situation. All of this is held in one of my favourite neighbourhoods here in the whole of Bangkok, and that is Thailand Noi, and I'm going to be revisiting this area in the next couple of weeks to kind of re-show you guys why you should be visiting. But with this art installation at night, it really does change your perspective on the whole entire area, and I hope that I can bring this across to you in this video today. Now, it's going to be a bit of a montage style video, kind of like my Khao San Road videos, because it's just the best way for me to display it with some music and everything else that's going on, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. Anyway, that's enough rambling from me. Let's roll that montage. So this particular event is going on until the 25th of December. So if you're in Bangkok, don't forget to go and check it out. And if you've missed it, go and check out Thailand Noi during the day. I've got a dedicated video coming up just on the area. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on that as well. Anyway, thank you guys for watching and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.